You can open the combination lock of the suitcase without knowing the password. This operation is too divine. In fact, this is not because there is a problem with the design of the combination lock. It's because many people don't know where the loopholes in the combination lock are. Today I will reveal to you the principle and loophole of the luggage combination lock. Allows you to easily open any suitcase. Let's explore the combination lock structure of ordinary suitcases. The first is his password disc. Its surface is engraved with numbers 0 to 9. Under each number are 10 gears hidden inside. They are tightly matched with another component, a gear on a hub connected to a cipher disk. Rotate together. This hub has a depression on the outside, and on the inside there is a protruding gear. This convex tooth is able to pass exactly through a slotted shaft. There are 3 specific areas on the axle with a smaller diameter. The gear is able to rotate freely when it is in these positions. When the protruding gear aligns with the notch on the shaft, the axis can move forward and backward. Usually password discs are divided into 3 groups, that is, only when the tabs of the 3 gears are in line with the notches on the shaft at the same time. The axis can be unlocked by moving the key. The groove on the outside of the hub is in the same line as the groove of the hub itself. At this time, the combination lock shows the correct password, and it is precisely this groove on the wheel hub that constitutes the loophole of the combination lock. This horizontal combination lock is also able to see the grooves, just 2 or 3 people forward. Some locks even have an observation window directly next to the password wheel. The purpose is not to worry that you have forgotten your password. We can also hold lighting tools in hand. Look for grooves in the cracks on the edges of the password disk. Then adjust the 3 password drives. Make the tops of these grooves line up. Record the combination of numbers at the moment. Post-sync moves each disk forward by 5 ticks, equivalent to each circling half circle. At this time, the raised part of the wheel hub of the password disk will match the groove of the axle. The sequence of numbers that appear at this moment is the correct password to unlock. The vast majority of people don't know anything about decryption techniques. Instead, try to force the combination lock on. Now that you have mastered this technique, you might as well try it right away. But make sure it's your own suitcase. Otherwise, according to our country's laws, you may accidentally receive a pair of silver bracelets as a reward.